Hello friends, hello friends. Today I will show you some very beautiful pictures. Let's start watching. This picture is Apple. Its name is Apple. Oh, Bull. Its name is Bull. I know. It's very common picture. Wow. This picture name is cow. Wow, dog, it's dog. Wow, eagle. This bird is very common. This name is eagle. Wow, fruits. It's very good for fruits. Goat. Wow, goat. Very nice. Oh, horse. Horse, nice. Ice cream. Our favorite food. Ice cream. Wow. Water jug. Wow. Key. Wow, key. Oh, lily. Lily. Wow, our favorite fruits. Mango. Wow. Nose. This common. Our we have everyone this. Wow, ox. Ox. Oh, peacock. Peacock, nice. Nice, this peacock. Wow, our holy Quran. Red. Red. This is red. Wow, tough. Tough is very nice. This tough is very, wow. I like this. Wow, yolk. Wait, this yolk is very nice. It's very tasty. Full. Oh, I want this. I want this eat. Wow, van. There are go to school by van. Wow, Joe. Oh, Joe. Wow.